Ha?
Hey, ho!
Ano na usase? Iyo.
Mama na ko nag-crispy like.
Eh, ote sila na mo isala. Ote sila na mo isala.
HR.
Ano?
HR.
Isa mo lang ito na sinusudo ka natawa sinembaki. Okay, 5 na ka na sinusudo. Saan sina?
Hey, napuno na ko na sa Domingo ay agad po namin na you all. Thank you for watching and thank you for the weather.
Iyo. How's the weather, Jesse?
Beautiful.
Huh?
Beautiful.
Okay. Okay, how are you, Jesse?
I'm good.
All right.
Cold in here.
Yeah.
Hey, all our friends in Australia, America, around the world.
Iyo.
Siena, Iraqi, Habib Mullah. DR.
Ano na ka leo sena libi mapakatoko.
Wala, Rula.
Tukain delay. Mumbula may namalata kandabu. Numbul bratel nga may namalata telewu. Sina. Dre tapioca. Damu tapioca per reaksi anche cungo. Damu tapioca per reaksi tali cungo fata Christmas man.
Bisa bilang kan,
Ano na ka tadi te Messi. Kaya baka andon nung isala. Iyo, wawa. Ano ba ka may Lokia? Ano ba ka marama? Sina.
Problema ka.
Eh, ano ba ka John? Ano ba ka John? Nagmali mo Father Christmas.
Nawala. Sumay.
Oh, iyo. Alright.
Vertel, aus Spanje. Winnie, je Zealand promotion.
Berarti talu turun para betul pun mengenai lebih kita pakai nama tadi bingkar ini. Satu sih di kuah. Kami tu di sini bulu Desember na lo mana bagingo saya namun yang bagingo. Nintana nama itu kalau boleh kita di sini biar kita dapat ikutan bagingo. Rondo ros sama bulu kan. Jadi anu nak tu pun baru mata biar mereka doroi. Bawa mata tak manda.
Iya.
Nanomu kostum yang nama tadi kau bimbing nanomu misal. Oh, dia teman.
Yeah, I'm wearing I'm wearing a hat.
Iya.
It's a Christmas hat.
Iya.
And just because the Christmas is about to come.
Iya.
So yeah, I was just wearing it. Atmosphere should be Christmas.
Oh iya, okay.
Big Bull binaka to all friends and
Yeah.
family around there
Yeah.
watching and listening to the BTFM.
Alright.
And today it's a beautiful day
Okay.
outside that you can see.
Iya.
The cloud is a bit black, but it's beautiful.
Okay. Dorang sih bertemu kan dorang cuma itu kan mata di kuat benar kati maima.
Eh, malale.
Kina boy vitaniela. Ke nunia ke bantu dorang pun main. Tapi gela mai kantau.
Iya.
Pada mata beru nonton nita main tapi gela mai kantau.
Sabi ko na neta to all of
English kira-kira dia.
all of our nights
Yeah.
in the island of Kandagu.
Yeah, we
Yes,
are your
I
day.
know you were watching there,
Yeah.
and I know we are there.
Iya.
And a big bowl of binaka to you,
Yeah.
and hope when you come to Suba, we'll give you one hat like this.
Dangan nung bukal kantau di sampul benar ke pembibiti ko be ke mereka dari koron di sama cuma mata di.
Mura na
Cese terus nanti kamu tubuh nama tadi ko lang sa cuma dorong na mata kay dai. Okay. Di tak mana ko. Alright. Awian rabuki mai and loma nimbongi.
Yes.
Aurai dan nikoyali mayasabu.
You know, when I wake up in the midnight,
Iya.
at night,
Iya.
I realize
Yeah.
that I cannot feel you.
Baleta.
I don't see you.
Okay, alright. Au main dabi tu ya ni pembalabu, ya no gurin balabu, ngai kela di utan rawalenga.
You know, I was sitting there like sitting alone,
Iya.
and I was watching or dreaming along.
Iya.
And I realized that I was dreaming. You were just beside me.
Okay. Kaya ovilisi.
Yeah.
Okay. Kaya ovilisi ni rai na suru ambe kaya kania. Baka bunu tiko na nona lua. Iya. Aurete chukune ngona baka bia ovilisi. Sa kune tiko.
You know, Vilisi,
Iya.
he's been eating or she's been eating boiled or old food.
Iya.
And he's been
Surah.
complaining
Nata
about
apa lagi surah?
Surah,
Iya.
old food.
Okay, old food. Iya.
Old food.
Yeah.
And he's been complaining of that food.
Yeah.
But I think it's not a food.
Yeah. Then that.
The stomach
Iya.
is category 5.
Yeah, category 5. Okay. Alright. Otra vangara na nona Andrew pita le kunesar tumai ni wele tu nona Andrew en bela bri lomba sudu ne Timothy.
Peter's bull ride.
Yeah.
Peter's bull.
Yeah.
He's been lost.
Yeah.
He's been tired and wandering, looking for it.
Right.
And he realized that his bull was relaxing
Yeah.
or chatting
Yeah.
with another bull
Yeah.
at one bellum.
Hey, alright. Tukuna Moses mesale mode ia ekere ngoro ngandi o Moses batike nona girlfriend.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Na nona SS. Okay. E tukuna Moses mesale mode ia kere o nona itau mesite ngune ngona wakalai.
Moses
Yeah.
told
Moses step away.
Moses took away
Yeah.
his ergat
Yeah.
and left.
Yeah.
And he told her girlfriend
Yeah.
she's going, but her girlfriend said,
Yeah.
no,
Yeah.
I want to stay. I just want to chat a little bit with these guys.
Okay. Tuluna kalau kena matakata di bagaru lo si tali rona tanga, may na rumo Moses e se wade de binakatunga na matanga.
From 3 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
When you're drinking at 3 o'clock in the morning,
Yeah.
you drank.
Yeah.
And Moses left
Yeah.
at 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
When the girlfriend left to go to the room,
Ni boy rona tanga melo si tali.
when another 2 bags to disappoint,
Yeah.
she went to the room
Yeah.
and opened the door.
Yeah.
She can see Moses' eye
Yeah.
still wiggling like that.
Inside the town na boy.
Inside the town na.
Okay, right dongo. Nangkasin go rin nangkasin do tani. Nambata kuita nga endo nga tagabuli.
You know that fella,
Yeah.
I know him very well.
Right.
He always use the octopus bait.
Yay! Okay, alright. Na lebu ni nono via mamandrenga o virisila e kere mbulu seranga nandrenga e mamaboli o karua babu.
You know the
What?
sweetness.
Yeah.
The sweetness of Vilisi when to eat the chewing gum,
The edge.
the edge
Yeah.
of his mouth.
Yeah.
He suddenly asks
Yeah.
Tutumbabu
Yeah.
for his chewing gum.
Okay. Ocho speaker na ruchese na matali ko bakante tangmo go. E sisi ngo ta chunta nang basa ngo ta chunta basa.
Yeah.
E sisi omborosio.
Yes.
Ngai dambe na besi di rocket ka boli ta ka folio arieta.
Bonfio
Yeah.
flat or slipped or tangled his leg
Yeah.
and he sit
Yeah.
on a bucket or a
Yeah.
basin of rocket.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, right. Alright. Sisi omborosio ngai dambe na besi di rocket ka boli ta ka folio arieta. E durumi ko ya na kata-kata.
Yes.
E durumi ko na kata-kata
Yeah.
ngai be iribaka. Kai seba ni rapori di ko ke tuma na tamata.
When he sit on a basin of rocket,
Yeah.
he realized that something went hot inside
His back.
his back.
Right.
And he want to fan it.
Yeah.
He want to
He want to that one?
He want to fan it.
Yeah.
But he can't.
Yeah.
Because
Correct.
all the people
Yeah.
was staring at him.
Okay, what's this weekend? Rosar mo dio chico, meron mo tal weekend non dari ba ko sar ga na matali weekend
Yeah.
ni ko. All right. E kan mobilisi ni re suruan be ka kanya e ba buneti ko na non lulua. Iya already ko chico bitane singo. Ba kanyo na lengo sa kuni ti.
You know, Vilisi was been complaining of that old food
Yeah.
and he's been vomiting.
Yeah.
And I know that she's not vomiting from that bad food.
Yeah.
She is.
Yeah.
His stomach
Yeah.
is category 5.
Omborosio sa kata tu nambulina. Balata din dambeta na besin ro.
Borisio was hot in his bum
Yeah.
because he was sitting on the rocket
Yeah.
and he want to fan his back,
Yeah.
but he can't
Yeah.
because all the people
Yeah.
were staring at him. Suba!
E ora una ka perita ki de ser tangi bina bolo sara beto ka bolo man matali
Eh,
ko.
no na kwa? Wayo! I love you, baby.
What's up?
When I saw you when you were in the school of Nestle, I saw your eyes. Whoa! Beautiful.
Wave, Sarah. Wave, Sarah. Wave, wave.
Bye bye everybody.
Yeah.
What you think about me?
What? Cina. Makan dua. Bilinga. Wirita. Hey, aku penasaran tadi oi. Mr. Bean. Hey, Eda, cese Mr. Bean mata, Mr. Bean.
What is that time say? Big boy, what do you think about me?
What do you think about me? Una boleh Father Christmas di BTFM? Mari.
My darling, oh Lord.
Eda apa cese?
What do you think about my
Yeah. Dre, bilin Dre. Wave manta tu bona, wave.
I'm going back.
I'm going back where?
There.
Hey.
What do you think about me? What do you think about me?
Another one. Really?
What do you think about me?
Okay, terus mau cese.
Okay, nawala masam si man na outfalling so trulitan ni marota kare na matata na sa makina.
Right.
So na biscuit like the punjes, crackers, biscuit.
Okay.
What do you think
About
me?
Okay. Hey, mama go. Ho.
Oh, Merry Christmas. And I do what?